Hello friends, welcome back. I am showing you all this gorgeous unboxing of the Level Up Deluxe Theme Kit, which is for Not Just for Boys Kit Club. It is the theme kit for May 2021, which is awesome. So let me show you the goodies that come in this. It is so fun. And guys, I have so many a la carte items and all that kind of stuff that will be on the third video. It is a la carte. I'm going to have Page Kit by Merity, as well as all of the rest of my a la carte items in that video. So let me show you what I have in this one. It is called Level Up, which is the coolest, cute name. Okay, we are going to start with this paper. It is, and this is kind of like a video gamer kind of thing, which is so cute. It's by Ella and Viv, and it is called Old School, and it's from 80s Party. And it is single-sided. And you have all of the little wonka. I'm saying it wrong. Anyway, look at the old school video game little icons on there. So stinking cute. Black with a really nice turquoise. The next piece we have here, it is from Echo Park Teen Spirit, and it's 3x4 journaling cards. So this side has tons and tons and tons of pennants that you can detail cut out or have them in a nice row. Whatevs. And then the back side has the 3x4 cards like we talked about. This reads cool story, bro. Live life out loud. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Very true. Cute skateboards that just roll with it. Ooh, that light bulb. I didn't use my light bulb that was in the main kit last month. That would be cool because it's yellow acrylic. Okay. Mix it up with this mixtape. Controllers, Control Freak. You rock my world. You are so cool. Don't stop believing. Just do your thing and bring your A game. Super cute. Next. This is from Chamel Field Trip. Why did I not ever see this piece of paper? And it's called Out There. So all kinds of spaceships with the lightning bolts. I mean, cuteness. And then the flip side is a really great tone-on-tone, super deep blue. I mean, talk about easy peasy usable paper. All right. Then we have, this one is the 4x4 journaling cards from Teen Spirit, Echo Park again. So black with all kinds of peace sign hands. Cute, cute, cute. Can use it for all kinds of things that are not even video game related. And then this side, we have Make Today Totally Awesome. Make some noise. You rocked it. Totally spaced out. You are the man. Nice block with some sunnies in it. Life is short, so live it well. Warning, high attitude level, and game on. So super, super cute. I will do A sides on that one. Oh, I didn't do it like that. Okay, I try to do A sides, but you know what? User error. All right, next I have Heidi Swap Storyline Chapters, and this is Mellow Yellow. So a really nice, slightly distressed gray with arrows. Now, if I were using this paper, which I will be, I would have the arrows pointing towards a photo. So everything goes directional towards that one thing. That would be super cool. Oh, sweet. And the back side is just this really nice yellow and white gingham. Super easy to use as well. The final, oh no, there's two more. All right, so this one is Echo Park, That's My Boy, and it's called Controllers. And it's like this really nice tone-on-tone yellow. There's all kinds of arrows. Hope you can see that. It's super cool, great background. And this has every gamer controller that you could possibly think of. That looks like a Wii. I see Nintendo. I see Xbox. Super cool. So that is sweet. And then finally, we get this specialty paper. It is a vellum. So it's regular vellum with silver foiling dots, which is like, I know that's really wonking out the camera, but that is awesome. So let's see. This one and this one do not have back sides because, you know, the vellum just actually looks like vellum with white. If you want white polka dots, ew, and you're not doing silver, you can do that. So I will do this. So A sides, and then A sides with, these two are the A sides, and these, you can see all the B sides. Okay, awesome. Now to go with this, we have this giant 12x12 sticker sheet from Teen Spirit, which is Echo Park again. and icons like crazy. So we have our mixtape again, that light bulb that I am dying to use right now. I like YOLO, and these Converse are awesome. Oh yeah. We've got a skateboard, kind of looks like a longboard, guitar, little words, popsicle. So there's like different things you can do with this that aren't just gamer related. Like all of my kids wear Chuck Taylor. So like that's cool. I love the skull on there. It kind of reminds me of the Punisher skull. We've got this great headset. We have the little spaceship. Super, super cool. Okay, have that. Now, let's do the alpha. I usually do the alpha first. I just got excited about the stickers. So we have, these are American Crafts alpha or thickers. They are foam. I can't speak. I have no speak. Foil foam letter stickers, and they are called Surprise. So they've got this holographic thing. Do you see that? How cool it is? And they are white foam on the sides and super usable. So all kinds of alphas. They don't have the numbers. Hallelujah. I don't need them. And a little bit of punctuation. Awesome. Awesome sauce. The cut file reads Level Up, which is like that digitized kind of writing. And we have red cardstock in here, which I love. We'll go with the collection. Let's see. Ooh, we've got Enamel Dots. I love Enamel Dots. And these are from Bro & Co. and great, great colors. A nice crayon red. This is a turquoise, a deep orange, crayon blue, and a nice bright yellow. Looks great with that. Let's see. Oh, look at this acrylic piece. So it's like a wonky speech bubble in gray, and it says rad in it. That is super cool. That would be a really great shaker pocket. Okay, moving on. Oh, guys, check these out. So let me open up this packaging really quickly. Come on, open. Please open. Oh, it's way down here. These are patches, right? These are so cute. There are 2 patches in here, and they are gamer patches. And one is this controller, and one reads Game Over. Like, how awesome. So you've got that like fabric-y texture, but they're super cool. Then we have 8 plastic buttons, they're called. I mean, to me, these are mini flare. I don't know. They're by We Are Memory Keepers. And there's 8 in here, like I said. So we have this really nice green. It says Brave, Strong, Wild, Free. Love with the hexie. The Good Life. This little globe, or actually it looks like the web symbol. Dream Big with a whale. High Five. Hello Today. And So Rad. So we have Rad picking up twice. And then finally, we have this little goodie pack. Oh my word. It is so cute. So cute. Come on. I want to see them. Come on out. So this is our little goodie pack. So we have buttons in here that are like this really nice black shade. These gorgeous, gorgeous pale blue stars. Those are gorgeous. And then these little metal gamer pieces. Oh, and these pale blue stars are plastic. So I have a little I have Pac-Man little guys, a controller, and it says Eat, Sleep, Game. I mean, come on. Okay, guys, you want to stay tuned because I have, I have my Page Kits by Merity and then like a crazy amount of a la carte goodies that I have to show you. Like crazy amount, like super cool, gorgeous amount. You guys, am I going to be able to get them in or are they going to fly everywhere? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Stay tuned for the Page Kit by Merity and all of the a la carte. That will be my 3rd video showing off all of the good. Now, is there anything else to tell you? I will have the links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club Facebook group, the blog, and the website. Yes, that was it. Okay, bye for now. I'll be back in a minute with my 3rd video showing you all of the good for May.